I'm going to show you how to fix your leaking LG or Samsung fridge. First things first, remove your freezer trays, put some towels down, get a hairdryer ready and start melting the ice. The next thing you're going to do is get a star screwdriver ready and remove the back panel which houses the condensation extraction fan. Make sure you do this gently because you have to unclip the two power plugs that's at the back of the fridge. Now you'll see the radiator and it's full of ice. Use your hairdryer and melt that ice away. At the back of the fridge, you'll see that there's a catchment tray. This catchment tray should generally be dry, but if it is too dry and there's no water flowing through the spout, that means you've got blockage in the system. Get a boiled water in a kettle ready and slowly pour that water, melting the ice off the metal catchment tray. Not before long, you'll start to see water steadily flowing into the catchment tray at the back of the fridge. Do this for at least 5 minutes so you ensure that the blockage, which is caused by ice and grime, is gone completely. Don't worry if there's a lot of water buildup, you can soak it up with the towel at a later stage. As you can see, water in this video is starting to flow, and this means that we are basically done with the repair. We just have to put the cover back on, ensuring that the power plugs are clipped into place properly. So as you can see here, it's looking good and there's no need for me to call an expensive technician. Now we're going to go to the front of the fridge and put the back cover on with the power plugs, making sure that the power plugs are clicked into place properly. It does look a bit grimy, but don't worry, all fridges look like this. The fan is working great and it's spinning freely. And now it's time to put it back and complete our repair. Make sure the plugs click into place because this ensures that any excess water and ice is melted and filtered through properly. Put in the cover back, put in your trays, and you're good to go.